See, yesterday we left here actually. So from R1, what you will get actually? First you can make it unit matrix. Gauss Jordan means you can bring unit matrix, but some textbooks they will do initially, they will bring here 1, then divide by something. You will get 0.5. This so I am not doing. So first I will bring diagonal matrix. From there I will do unit matrix. So this what you will do from here. R1 divided by 2. So R1 gives, sorry.
Sir, we cannot see you, sir.
Now.
Yes, sir, it's fine.
Now okay.
Yes, sir, fine, sir.
No, that is low battery notification has come. Now from this R1 gives what? R1 implies now actually Gauss elimination in Gauss Jordan is direct method. Now we go for iterative method. Iteration means what? We can go by step by step, step by step. Once if you get the some exercise, again I will go back and substitute it. There's slow iterations. So many steps I will do. Finally, I will reach. That is called iterative method. One by one I will produce. Suppose previous value I will use next equation, next. So in such a stage I can able to stop. So next I will go for the iterative methods. The direct methods are what? Gauss elimination and Gauss Jacobi. Sorry, Gauss Jordan method. This is completed. If you want to convert iterative method. Note down. Direct methods already completed. Now we go for the iterative methods. Copy, sir. For doing iterative method, before starting the problem, actually it's diagonally dominated or not, you see. Matrix should be diagonally dominated. Just one thing you can remember. Given matrix should be always diagonally dominated. Then only can attack. What is the meaning of diagonally dominated means? What? Yes? Any problem? Hello? So if you do iterative methods, they will give matrix. First you can check the given matrix is diagonally dominated. What is the meaning of diagonally dominated means what? Diagonal elements are greater than the remaining elements. That suppose if you take that row. Just I will give one example. Just to note down what is the meaning of diagonally dominated. Suppose I am having some D1. Now my matrix shape what you get actually. Am I correct or not? Matrix shape. So linear form I bring to matrix shape. Check or left and right or wrong. So who you will check diagonally dominated means what you can see the element A11 plus numerical value you can see is equal to A12 plus A13. This should be more than value of remaining two. Why I will tell you. Then A22 how can you get? Numerical value modulus 1 and n. This is called diagonally dominated. Then A33 what? Sorry. Greater than. So the elements are have the in form is what you can say. This is called diagonally dominated. We convert very fast. You can check always. A11 element should be more than of these two. A22 is what more than of these three. A33 is what more than. Why I will tell you. Okay. Take one problem. While doing the problem, I'll explain. First, note down one question. Okay, Gauss Jacobi or Gauss Seidel, we need diagonally dominated matrix. If it is not there, I will bring it. Some way you can bring in exact. If you are not able to bring this, what you cannot do actually. You have to bring guarantee 99.99% they will go such a only problems actually. Suppose if it is jumble also means what, if you just take a transformation, row transformation, something means you will get obviously, don't worry. So we do a small problem. Right. Solve the following equation using Jacobi iteration method. See, given matrix is diagonally dominated or not, you see. Check. A11 is big number, compare A12 and A13. A22 is big number, remaining 2. Then
Yes, sir.
A33. Diagonally down. Suppose if it is not, you have to bring. So, Jacobi, what is telling, if it is diagonally dominated, means happily, from this I will prepare x is equal to something. From this I will prepare y is equal to. From this z is equal to I will prepare. Means what, then I can divide it by big number. Suppose if it is denominator, if you increase the number, means what? The value become what? Denominator increase. Suppose one fraction is there. Denominator if is a more number, means value become what?
Small,
Smaller,
sir.
So you will get negative to 0. We are trying actually iterations will be less iterations. That is the idea. Why is telling take diagonally dominated means what, if it is big number in denominator means what? We reach and instead of taking more steps, we left with less steps I can travel. That is the meaning. Okay. From this by Jacob, this is what Jacob iterated method. Now from this I will write x is equal to what? Tell me. 17 minus y plus 2z 1 by 20. Correct? Are you agree?
yes, sir.
Then from second equation, y you can take. You don't expect always same number you will get actually diagonal elements. Obviously, this problem you got. That also I am telling. Y is equal to what you will tell me? Minus 18. Z is equal to what you will get from third, you can prepare, Z you can prepare from here. So what you will get?
$25 plus 3y minus 2x by 20.
25 minus
2x plus 3y by 20.
very good. Vector, if you want, you can prepare some table where you will write. So, initially you can choose x naught, y naught, z naught is equal to 0, initial values. Initially start with the 0. Then I will find f to find x1, what I will do? Zero. Initial value I will choose as a 0. Then x1, what I will get from this? Use calculator, sir. I don't have calculator, you have to help me. 17 by 20 is what? Tell me. Calci people do
So 0.85.
0.85.
85.
Very good. Then y1 minus 18 by 20 m. Z1 25 by 20. What is Z1 value?
1.25.
What?
1.25.
Now, to find x2, what I will do? I will use x1 value. x2 is equal to 1 by 20, 17 minus y1 plus 2z1. y2 is equal to minus 18 minus 3x1 plus z1. z2 is equal to 25 minus 2x1 plus 3y1. Substitute. Now, x2 formula is what? Tell me. Actually, how they will get means what? Xn plus 1 is equal to, if you want to write a program, 1 by 20, 17, yn plus zn. Yn plus 1 is equal to minus 18, 3n plus 1, 3n zn. 3xn zn. Zn plus n is equal to what? 2xn, 3yn. Put n is equal to 0, you can start. Then one by one you can program, you can loop. If you give me, so automatically the program will start, do the computer. That is numerical methods, doing the computer with the C or whatever maybe. x2 is equal to, tell me, 1 by 20, 17 minus y1 plus 2z1. y2 is equal to what? You have to write always this. Then substitute these values also. Just I will skip, but you don't skip. Substitute. You can write next text, this values you can write. This time skipping here. You can give me direct value now, but in notes, what you will do? 1 by 20, 17 minus, who is my minus, y1 is what? Minus 0.9 plus 2 into 1.25, all you can write. Next step you can tell me answer. You don't do directly. Correct? You have to practice, otherwise where you will do revision means what you will get confused. Substituted values, then tell me. Don't go directly. Step by step you can do. Because while doing the first time, clearly can do.
X2.
Come on, tell me. What is x2?
0.77.
x2 is what?
0.77.
No.
0.52.
No.
So 1.02.
Very good. Sir, previously who said just you can check actually? Because I am having textbook, I am yes or no I am telling, but you have to clarify yourself actually. x2 is equal to 1.02 is absolutely correct number with my textbook. Because I don't have any calculator. What you will tell, I will write. Tell me, sir, who said 1.02 is correct? Check again. Somebody 0.85 something, then you can check again, please. Take time, no problem. We have a lot of time. Almost completed first unit. If I completed Gauss seidel means first unit over, wash out. We have a lot of time. Slowly can do. No hurry. Everyone should do. Because classroom is I can check actually what you are doing. What is Y2? Anyone completed?
Minus 0.965.
965 I got. Check again.
Yeah, that's what.
Correct. Okay, yeah. Take up to 4 decimals, that is better. Z2.
So Z2 1.03.
0032. Check again.
Sir, getting 1.03 only, sir.
So it's 1.03 only, sir.
No, you calculated, made decimals up to freely you left. Actually, some change your format. Maybe if you take 2 decimals, 3 decimals, means after that you don't get in calculator. Any one of you check again. Hey, wait. Sorry. I written wrong. What value you are seeing?
1.03.
Z2, sir, 1.03.
No, wrong. Z2 is 1.1515. Yeah. Next step I am seeing actually. Z2 is equal to 1 by 20, 25 minus 2 into 0.85 plus 3 into 0.9. Correct? That is if you do 1.1515 getting check.
Sir, it is coming 1.03.
1.03 only, sir.
First you can inside bracket you can do, after that you can divide. 1 by 20 don't operate otherwise. First inside bracket you can simplify.
Yes, sir.
25 minus.
That's what I did, sir. I did only the numerator first and then divided by 20. I'm getting 1.03.
Fully total divided by 20. Correct?
Yes, sir. That's what I did, sir.
You're given 1.1515. Okay. We see finally where. Otherwise, check again actually what you got, tell me. Minus 2 into 0.85, what you got? Tell me.
1.7.
1.7
1.7.
minus 3 into 0.9. 0.27.
2.7. Yes, sir.
2.7.
Minus 0.27.
Now, what is the value? $27.7 minus 1.7. That is minus, I think. So wait. Plus or minus? Minus. Now tell this value, inside value.
20.6.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then,
Yes, sir. By 20, 1.03.
20? 1 point.
20 point, 20.6 by 20 is 1.03.
Okay, then I will agree. 1 point. Carefully you can do because calculator will cheat us actually. That's why again and again I'm asking. This manipulation is what? Shall I buff here? Then third iteration you can go, third approximation. What is this values? Third approximation, what you will get x3 is equal to tell me values. He is done in textbook up to 5 approximations.
1.00125 x3, sir.
1 point.
00125.
Why 3?
Minus 1.0015.
Minus 1 point. Minus 1 point.
0015.
1 5. Then get 3. Sir, everyone don't copy down simply. You should try to do, then only you'll understand where you are standing. Simply don't copy down.
1.00325, sir.
1 point.
00325.
Very good. 1 point. Right. Correct, sir? Okay, sir. Then go for next iteration. Sir, always substitute the values and again I'm telling, don't do simply and don't copy down what I am doing. Do yourself. Hey, these values are not there. Now give me sir x4, y4.
X4 is 1.0004, sir.
Wait, coming. Tell me 1 point.
0004.
0004.
Very good. Almost we reached it.
Sir, Y4 is
Yes.
minus 1.000025.
Minus 1.00.
0025.
Another double zero, ah?
Yes.
Nice, yeah. You reached almost actually good. Then Z for nice. Actually, see textbook is given wrong answer. We are getting right answer. That's why. Don't trust anyone. Do yourself. Even don't trust me also. Do yourself. Then only you'll understand where you are standing, where you are making mistakes. Just don't copy down from the board. Ensure yourself and copy down.
Sir, point 99965.
Point triple nine six five.
65.
Just we go for next iteration, we see, suppose this and that same, almost we are reaching actually. Next iteration you can go. Share above here. Don't write directly values, substitute the values, then you can go next step, you can give me.
Sir, x5 is 0.999965.
So almost actually one actually. Again, it's crossing actually. Double nine,
65.
Wi-Fi.
Minus 1.0000775. Z5 is 0.99996.
So actually this one only something violation is going out, but you can stop. If you do approximately what you will do, x1 is equal to 1 you can take and check. Y1 is equal to -1, Z1 is equal to 1. Substitute in equation what you are getting, then stop. Where is the other textbook, other textbook?
Sir, in the exam, still how many iterations should we solve?
That's why the previous value, same value comes means you can stop actually.
Okay, sir.
The see the x2, y2 is nicely same values. Next one you just jump, but if you do miss out again, one you will get. Sometimes oscillation, just small points. So where you will stop is good question. The previous x4 and x5 same is what you can take as xy as a root. Go back and check actually approximately you may get 0. This means approximate true values only you can get, you don't get exact values. To 3 decimals, if 4 decimals you can take, then stop. Okay. Now take Gauss Seidel. One problem I will do Gauss Seidel. Then you can do the both types. One. This okay? Understanding or not? Then same problem you can do Gauss Seidel and Gauss Jacobi. Solve the following equation using Gauss-Seidel. I will tell you how to do. Just note down. Jacobian Gauss-Seidel both you can take. Here also you should remember matrix should be what? How it will be appear? Tell me. First thing, if you want to start iterative method means what? Matrix should be given. Matrix should be what? In what shape should means you can able to attack. How it will be appears. Then only you can able to attack.
Diagonally strong. पता नहीं क्या था.
Dominated.
Dominating.
Okay.
Sorry.
If my given matrix diagonally dominated, if diagonally dominated, I can able to do the for iterative method, say either Gauss-Seidel or Gauss-Jacobi. They will mention you, don't worry. Now, this problem, one problem I will do using Gauss-Seidel. The same problem we do using Gauss-Jacobi also. I'll do the table finally, don't worry. See, given matrix is it diagonally dominated or not? Can you able to attack directly given shape?
No, sir.
Then what you will do? If there any chances are there, means you can try. Totally, if it is not this, we can't do. Just you can try to change any rows or rows, any rows. If you change this, if you get chance, means okay, happily can attack. What you will do? Transforms equation, just change actually. Shuffle. Any chances are there, you can see. One 54, 27, 6 minus 1, 6, 15, 2. Then what you will do?
So third row will become second one and second one will become first one and the first one will become the third one.
Then this one fellow, if you bring down enough, okay, yeah? If I tell directly. Correct or not?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So, I will rewrite the given equations. How I will write actually? Now we can check. All are actually diagonally dominated. Can we attack now?
Yes, sir.
Now, Seidel how I will do? Seidel iteration is very fastly I will converge actually. Gauss-Jacobi is what somewhat slowly I will come, but Seidel not like this, very fast converge. Why I will tell you. From this how can I write x is equal to tell me 1 by 27, 85 minus 6y plus z. Y is equal to by 15, 72 minus 6x minus 2z. Z is equal to 1 by 54 110 minus 6 minus 1. Copied. Now don't copy down, just listen. Now initially for here I will take y naught z naught is equal to 0 in first equation. So first approximation how I will get x1 is equal to y naught z naught is equal to 0. You can take 1 by 27 85 minus 6 y naught plus z naught. Take y naught is equal to z naught is equal to 0. Then tell me value what is x1? Are you there?
So 3.1481.
3.14815,
148.
correct?
Yes, sir. Like after rounding up, it will become end will be 5.
Don't round actually. It will take more 5 minutes to take because we follow this like next loop, how it will become 1.
3.148.
3.14815. Okay, keep. Now come on. Now y1 now I will find. There what I done actually, x naught z naught substituted 0. Now not like this. Already in my hand x1 is available. Now y1 I will substitute x1 value from here. Z naught I will 0. Reaching or not? So y1 now I will write 1 by 15, 72. Immediately x1 available in my hand. That fellow I will use. Minus 6x1 plus z naught, z1 naught or 2z naught. Now who is z naught? 0. Who is x1? 3.14815. Substitute and tell me. Reaching or not? Any problem? For x1 I will use y naught z naught 0. For y1 already x1 in my hand. From top I will take. But it's Gauss-Jacob is different. Everywhere same, slowly I will go. It's not like this. Immediately I will use that fellow. I don't want to wait for the next step. What is y1 value? Tell me. Now are you understand or not? First that we can tell you. No. Are you
Yes,
understand or not? The value is different. Okay or not, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No problem.
Yes,
no
sir.
problem.
Understood.
Can I? Because first getting problem is different actually. Doing problem anyone can do. But the idea is understanding or not. So first is what initially 0. Once if I get the x1, for y1 I will use that fellow. Z naught I not down to Z naught I will 0. Now what is tell me y1 I got 3.54074.
Yes, sir.
Now we see Z1 now I will write. Now tell me anyone.
1 by 54 into 110
Wait. 110
minus
minus what will
x1
write?
minus x1 minus x1
Minus. Okay, then later.
minus y1.
Very good. Because in my hand y1 also there. So I don't want to substitute x naught, y naught as a Jacobi method. So x1 in my hand, y1 in your hand. Both fellows I will use immediately. So z1 is equal to tell me now.
1.91316.
1.91317. Correct? I want to write values. Where I want to write? Now, come on. For x2, how I will write? X2, what I will write? 85
Y1
minus
Z1.
6y1 z1. Very good. Because y1 z1 in my hand available. Then substituted, what you will get?
Two point 43217.5.
2180. 2180 we can. Okay.
Rounding also.
Wow. So maybe after 5 digits is rounding. Now, come on. Y2 value, tell me how you will substitute it. 72 minus what you will do?
6x2, sir.
6x2.
Very good. Sir, all of you okay? Only one student only talking. Remaining also okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Second. Then
Okay,
remaining,
sir.
what about
Understood, sir.
others?
Okay, sir.
Everyone okay? Right. Oh,
Yes, sir.
nice. Minus 6x2 plus who will come? Minus?
2Z1.
Very good. Nice. Check. Don't copy down simply. Now Z3, what I will do?
110 minus x2 minus y2.
Very good.
It's Z2, sir, not Z3.
Acha. Can you? Z2. Can you, sir? Copy down this. Try to do whether you're getting value or not. Tell me. Don't copy down simply. Now come on. Third approximation you can see. Same values getting or not check carefully. X3 is equal to 1 by 27, 85,
2.42569, sir.
wait, come on, wait. By 3,
3.57294.
very good, nice, excellent. And only one by doing, what about others? No girls, students? No voice from the girl students. Are you there or not? Say yes. Hello.
Everybody's
One yes
sleeping.
from girls. Yes. Girls. One yes from girls. Anybody's there? Alarm went off actually. Kept the mobile, they went off on the mobile. Very bad here. I'm shouting here and singing alone.
We are listening, sir.
Listening, you were listening, but only boys said no, girls said voice. Listening, very good, happy, I'm very happy. Next class, I will give the problem. One by one, open your video and you have to complete and show me the next class. That is a workout I will do.
Sir, Z3 is 1.92595.
Wait a moment. 1.595.
92595.
Done. Super, only one by will do. Remaining, don't copy down simply.
Sir,
Two
Shivaram
people,
and me, sir.
if you
Two
have
boys,
to-
sir.
What?
Two
Tell
of
me.
us are saying, sir. Shivaram and me, sir.
Next. Sharaba. Okay, I want to write here. What up to 3 in textbook? How many approximations done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gas Jacobi 8 approximation is done. Okay. I think first unit completed, sir, by this.
Sir, last iteration itself, the values are almost exactly the same.
I want to do the. Yes, sir. Yes. Wait. Tell me. Now tell me.
In the last iteration itself, the
Tell me
values
now.
are. Sir, telling sir. The last
Yes, tell
iteration,
me.
the values are almost same, no, sir? Very little difference. So, do we have to go for next iteration or should we stop there?
We go another one approximation because the maximum you get actually. This X1 also same value getting in textbook because what is same values you're getting. 5, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth iteration, sixth iteration, same exact values getting up to what? 5 digits.
Okay, sir.
But examination depend on marks, okay, you will get no problem. We'll do 3, 4 iterations. Almost we reached actually answer as you said. For practice purpose we are doing. Already I told you, by if you use computer this what you maybe solution maybe 10 power minus 5 means up to it will come actually run actually how many iterations will come. Here manually means we cannot, but somewhat we try. Here 6 iterations is done. X4 tell me what is the answer? 85. Do what is there? Lot of time is there.
2.42549.
Wait, I'm coming. See, almost the Z3 we reached. How many times you do same thing oscillation will come. We also reached up to 3 decimals. Then stop up to 4 decimals if you take, you will get the same value. From this you can tell. But he is done another vibration also. I will give you if you want, you can check. Okay. If you want, you can stop, but it's done actually, you can by stop actually, then round up to 3 digits if you do means what? 2.425, 3.573, then 1.926 you can tell this is the approximation. I'll go back and check in equations. Now one problem I will do, try yourself actually. Time is there, 20 minutes are there. But both methods you can try. At least half you will come.
Sir, what is the difference between using this method and the Gauss-Jacobi method, sir?
Gauss-Jacobi converges slowly. The same problem if you do Gauss-Jacobi means what? By reaching maybe 10 steps, it will take lot of time. Converges take time. They will its approaches fastly. There means what I am substituting here y1 z1. Then what I will do is what again x1 z1. Z2 is what x2 y1. Here immediately I am taking,
Okay, sir.
But not like just not like this. They are not behind the lot of theory. They proved convergence. Lot of theory is their analysis. Numerical analysis is different part. They only are doing numerical methods. Just like that, not but lot of stories there behind the lot of research they have done. They decided okay, this I can follow like this. Just what we have in the juice only. For doing this problem, maybe they proved 3, 4 years, 5 years, one PhD program also for just getting this formula. It's not a joke. Just we are applying. But that is the difference. If you do that is immediately, I will, what value I am getting, immediately I will use next step. But Jacobi I don't use. Slowly I will go. That is the way. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Ask always doubts, sir. If I know, I will tell you. If I don't, I will try to find out and tell you. But ask always ask doubts. Welcome. This problem just I will do. Gauss-Jacobi and Gauss-Seidel is telling just take the problem. Next.
Sir, sir,
Yes. Yes.
sir, it is 10x minus
Let me
5y or plus 5y, the first equation.
minus 5 here. Very bad rating. Now okay. Okay.
Yes, sir, yes. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Very bad rating here. This is using they are telling actually both you can try. But I will do try to table, you don't worry, just let's see the same values are getting or not. Cross check, but don't copy down. Cross check. Minus these, all are minus. It's too much, yeah, 10 decimals. Max, that's why don't round up. What values are getting, just you can substitute it. You don't know where you want to stop at otherwise. Lot of 9 iterations is done. He's done actually has 7 iterations. There is 9 iterations. Like this, similarly, you will get, right? If you want, I will write last well. Last well is very big values. Try this problem actually. Then, similarly, try this problem. These are already done like this. See this problem, 28x plus 4y minus z is equal to 32, x plus 3y plus 10z is equal to 24, 2x plus 17y plus 4z is equal to 35. Can you attack directly?
No, sir. We need to rearrange that.
Then what you will do?
Take
Sir,
the
we
first.
will exchange the third row with the fourth one.
Second fellow you can write as a
Second
third
and
fellow.
third.
Third fellow you can write as a second fellow, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These two you can interchange. This you can write, this you can write. Then attack. Both methods you can try. Or you can try Gauss serial, you can try. If you want non value, I hope first unit completed, sir. Successfully. Then next 2 classes, I will give the problem. You have to sit and do one by one, show and give your number. How many of you are doing, I'll check. Any problem from the beginning, one problem I will go, ask you to try. You have to try. Okay, yeah? Ready or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can try next class. Then I will stop here. Right, too much. Okay, I'll stop. Then bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Who is the host? You can send me actually. I will inform.
Thank you, sir.
Give me permission to download. Okay, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye. Class is there, huh?